TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. The TWKL-500-11 two-compressed air compressor with a volume of 500 liters is perfect for professional use in workshops and industry. Thanks to its 2-stage, 2-cylinder compressor block, it achieves a suction capacity of 860 liters per minute and a delivery rate of 650 liters per minute at 6 bar. The powerful 5.5 kilowatt or 7.5 horsepower electric motor operates at 400 volts and ensures a constant operating pressure of up to 11 bar. It is equipped with a non-return valve, a pressure switch, a start-stop switch with automatic mode, motor protection, a startup relief device, a safety valve, a pressure gauge, an outlet valve, and a condensation drain. It measures 201 centimeters by 65 centimeters by 133 centimeters, weighs 216 kilos, and has a noise level of 77 decibels. To operate the TWKL-500-11-2, a 400-volt 3-phase power supply is required. In addition, the tank's certificates of conformity are supplied with the product. Visit us in one of our branches. With 12 branches in 7 countries also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on-site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with large stock of products available for an immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changes and tire balances. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent automotive garage supplier.